Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sir Drum-A-Lot. I'm out today to get a real quick cache. I'm at a nature trail. It's about a mile long. I'm trying to get that Blue Switch Souvenir. It's the 20th anniversary of geocaching today. I know this video is going to come out a week or two later, but I'm out here on the anniversary. It's a beautiful cloudless day here in South Mississippi. Temperature's about 85. If you stand out in the sun, you're gonna sweat a good bit. Hopefully there'll be plenty of shade on this nature trail. So come on guys, let's go. It's a bridge in the middle of the woods. You know what that means. That's right. I've made it to ground zero, and it looks like the cache is going to be kind of right under the foot of the bridge, so I guess I'm gonna look for it. Well, I was wrong, but I did find it. Where'd it go? There it is. Ow. Well, there it is. Well, I got it. Ow. Those are ouchies. Oh, I got a cramp. Hey, let's see what we got. Nice little lock and lock. Logbook. A mag light. Rubber ducky. Huh. A little trackable. I'm gonna take that. Nice big log sheet. There we go. I'm gonna leave a few things. I'm gonna leave a few of my buttons, a few of my cards. Since I'm gonna take this trackable, I'm gonna leave one of my own. It's a little Christmas tree tag attached to a Lamborghini. And I'm also gonna leave an unactivated "the best friends are other geocachers" tag. I've got a few of these, so I'm gonna leave one of these for the next finder. All right, so that cache is gonna get me my Blue Switch 2020 20th anniversary of geocaching souvenir. Right up here. Yep. So I'm really pumped about that, and I want to give a big thanks to Dave Ulmer for starting this amazing hobby. You probably never would have imagined that it would grow into what it has. And also thanks to everybody at geocaching.com for keeping the game alive, especially during these trying times. Really appreciate it. You guys, cache on. Have a great day, all right? Awesome.